and welcome back to my channel, everyone. This read is gonna be for our twin flames because yes, I'm doing this read at late night, guys, and that's why my eyes would be a little swollen. You might feel that, I don't know. But yeah, this read is about the divine masculine. Our divine masculines wants to convey something. They have some kind of a message to give to our feminines. They have certain energies that are shaking up in their I'm not sure in their life, but we'll have to see what are the energies that is shaking up for our divine masculines, and also what is going on. If you hear anything in the background, it's just some music going on outside. So okay, let's see what our divine masculine wants to convey to our divine feminine. Why is this energy so shaken up? I'm sorry, I wasn't ready for that. Let's see what our divine masculines wants to convey to our divine feminines. What the divine masculine wants to convey. This read will be for most of you, so listen to this read pretty carefully, because usually I say it may or may not resonate, but if you're listening to this read, it would resonate, I would say. So okay, wow, what do you want to convey? Some kind of communication that maybe just took place between our Empress, our divine feminine, and the divine masculine. Oh, okay. Okay, we'll take some clarifiers here, but still I would just give you a brief. Divine masculine was, or maybe is, really happy looking at all the opportunities around, looking at the brightness around. Maybe they just thought that, you know, I've got everything in my life. I've really got whatever I wanted. Maybe they were not quite sure of the divine feminine, or maybe the divine masculine is actually conveying this message, because something here broke their heart. That's what they want to tell you, and somewhere divine feminine is involved in all this. What did you do, divine feminines? You've made the divine masculine in such a condition that he's just laying down on the bed, praying, feeling emotionally low, feeling sick, rest in a very resting mode, trying to relax but not able to relax because of the anxiety that is going on. He was so happy. I'm just saying he because I'm talking about the divine masculine energy, but it could be he or she, so just take how it resonates. I'm only talking about the divine masculine energy. This is not a gender bias thing, okay? So divine masculine is actually saying that he was so happy and he was like almost there. It was like he was right at your door. The divine masculine was so happy, but some kind of communication took place between you two, and that turned this whole thing apart. Or yeah, some kind of communication took place between you two, that is right. But what all of a sudden happened that made the divine masculine in this condition? He's feeling jealous, deception, frustration. Wow. I mean, Just tell me in the comments if there was some kind of communication that came across. And what did you tell the divine masculine, divine feminines? I mean, you are not of that energy. I really want to clarify what you told them, what you said to them, that they are feeling like feeling cheated on, deceptive. I mean, jealous. Like, really? I don't want to laugh, but it's funny. See, the energy is very shaky right now. Okay, what is going on? Divine masculine. Let's see if there's anything more that the divine masculine wants to convey to our feminines. What do you want to convey, divine masculine? Just convey it directly, man. Don't you have a phone? Don't wake me up at night. Okay, divine masculine, picking up all what he thought he's gonna give to you, picking up all his, I can say, trying to pick up all his, you can say, dreams, or dreams in the sense whatever he wanted, whenever he thought, because I do see divine masculine energy like the world card here, which means divine masculine was all ready to travel, to come across, to come and approach you, to come and talk to you, but all of a sudden the energy changed. And now he feels like he's weighed down by all these problems, and all his dreams are like shattered, all his dreams are scattered, and he's trying to pick all of them together. He's trying to pick up all the plans that he made together, trying to be in this peace and harmonious mode that he is not right now. He picked himself very it was a very difficult situation for the divine masculine, let me tell you very bluntly, that it was a very difficult situation, because the situation that he came out from, the karmic situation, it was very difficult for him to pick himself up. Still he picked himself up. He thought about all these things, he made all the plans, he had everything in his mind, he had everything sorted in his mind, and he was traveling towards you. He was in all this peace and harmony mode. He was like, I blindly trust the universe. I know whatever's gonna happen is under universal guidance. I don't have to be scared of anything. That's what the divine masculine had in their mind. And all of a sudden, when they spoke to you, or when this communication happened, even that time, I mean, not that time, but before that, divine masculine had this plan, because in the recent past energy he had to travel somewhere from abroad, because I feel he does not live in the same country as you, and then he had to travel to your state as well, or to your province, to your city, because I do see travel, but it is not like an overseas travel. So he had everything planned. This is like he was literally traveling towards his empress. You see both these cards together, so he was literally about to just travel. Just, I don't know what he was waiting for, but yeah, he was all ready. And all of a sudden now he's just looking at the situation in a very frustrated mode, in a very jealous kind of mode, like, all of a sudden he had all these dreams in front of him, and suddenly one thing just falls off, and now he's looking at the whole situation like, now What am I supposed to do? Like, he's not even in the senses to make a decision right now, and then we have the judgment card. He needs to make a judgment still. Now he needs to make a judgment, and all he is doing right now is praying to the universe. Universe, what is going on, and what did you do? See these two cards together. In one, he's like literally just praying to the universe. He's literally, I'm getting this energy that he's just lying down on the bed and praying. He's like, universe, what is happening? And here he's directly just see the divine masculine here. He's just looking at the universe and asking, universe, what did you do? And on the other hand, divine feminine is all in control. I don't see divine feminine's energy shaking up. Divine feminine is completely in control here. She knows what she's asking for. She's asking for her for the twin flame, for the reunion of the twin flames, and she's all happy and she's asking for it. Then okay, I really don't know what your situation, what happened in your particular situation that is making the divine masculine think that way. See, he's literally just looking at the situation and thinking, my god, I picked up all these things together, and now what am I supposed to do? Now he has to make a judgment whether to move towards you, move away from you. Again, an on and off situation. See, again we came in this on and off thing. Let's see what else comes up. But I'm really curious to know what happened. What this divine feminine, I know you might have not done something intentionally, but something has shaken up the divine masculine way too much. Again, the reason could be because, okay, let me clarify, then I'll tell you. Let me still clarify this thing, because I really want to clarify the World card, and then I want to clarify the Empress here. Please clarify the World, universe. Please clarify the World. Again, if this thing did not happen, again there would only be thinking from the divine masculine's end. There would only be, because you see this King of Cups sitting here. This person's sitting there stable, happy. They know they love you. They know they're sitting with their cup of love, and all they are doing is just looking towards you. They still needed more confidence to do this, and that is why the universe again turned the whole thing around. Because they were still not getting the confidence to work it out. There is still need for the improvement. That's why this thing had to happen. I am very sure divine feminines did not do it intentionally, but things happened. Okay, let's see. For some of you, it could be there's another situation that's going on. For some of you, it could be also that divine feminine communicated with divine masculine, and that shook up his feelings way too much, and now he's in that broken hearted position again, that oh my god, I let her go. I did let her go that time. So as soon as your energy entered their life, again they are in this mode of, before this divine masculine was really happy. That is another situation. So that could be for some of you, not all of you, because the divine masculine was all in their life. They were really happy about whatever was going on in their life, and obviously they had to travel somewhere, and wherever they were traveling towards the divine feminine, intentionally or unintentionally, doesn't matter, but they were traveling towards the divine feminine. And then some kind of communication happened that shook up the energy. And now the divine masculine is like, oh my god, universe, what is it? Now they are carrying this heavy load again on them. Now they are again in this judgment mode. Whether I should go talk to her, not talk to her, what should I do? Let's see what lies in the immediate future for our twin flames. Let's see if this divine masculine is actually gonna take a step before this Mercury retrograde ends on the 21st. Universe, please tell us if this divine masculine is gonna take a step. Oh my god, energy is so shaky. Magician. And the Sun card also. I didn't want to see the Magician, but I did see, so I'm just gonna keep it on the side. And we have the Sun card. Again, I didn't want to see that. Okay. I'll just clarify in a minute who's the Magician here. Universe, please guide us if this divine masculine is actually gonna take a step before this Mercury retrograde ends. Their energy, divine feminines, I can tell you, you have shaken up their energy to an extent where they're not even realizing what's happening around them, which is a very good sign for twin flames, I would say. Very good sign. Okay. Underneath the deck, we have the Eight of Wands. So things are speeding up. Nice. In the immediate future that I see is divine masculine is gonna take the chance this time. Of course, I would say it's a chance for divine masculine because 21 or 24, either of the dates, 21 or 24. That's what I feel with the energy here. Let me know in the comments if something happened on either on the 21st or on the 24th. It could be any of those. Our king and queen are gonna be together. And I do see divine masculine coming. I mean, in this immediate future, before this Mercury retrograde ends, I do see divine masculine coming. Divine masculine is gonna take this chance this time. Though he's not very keen to do this, but he will have to take the chance because this time he's gonna be the magician of his life. He's gonna trust this twin flame bond, this twin flame relationship, and being the king of pentacles, he's gonna meet his queen for sure. And then there's improvements, there's balance, there's a lot of love that I see here, there's a lot of contentment, there's a lot of happiness, and also things are gonna speed up very soon for you. Divine masculine is throwing his arrows of love towards you. So you're gonna see things speed up this time. So remember 21st or 24th, and let me know if something happened on those days. Do not forget to come back to this read. I want to know the guidance from the universe for our divine feminine and our divine masculine both. I'll take out the guidance for the divine masculines first. Universe, please guide our divine masculines. Universe, please guide our divine masculines. there's happiness, there's contentment again. There is this Queen of Cups, a very motherly figure in your life. Please take guidance from her. All your situations in which you're juggling right now, that will all be sorted out, and there's a lot of improvements, and you'll be feeling very happy when you receive all the cups of love. So, and divine is intervening. So there's divine intervention. It's not you who's doing anything, divine masculine or divine feminine. It is only divine who's playing all these games with you. Okay, let's see the guidance for our divine feminines. Guidance for the divine feminines. Universe, please guide our divine feminines. New beginnings for you, divine feminine. Pretty strong. Keep up your guards. And you're able to overcome all kind of situations, be it emotional imbalance, be it anything else. You are an authoritative figure. Be that figure. Be that personality, and you have a lot of new beginnings with the Ace of Wands. It's completely a new birth for you, new beginnings in terms of love. Whatever emotional imbalance is coming your way, you have the strength to overcome that. So use your healing, use your strength, use your energy, use your meditation to overcome all these frustrations. Do not let it. Again, underneath the deck, it's the 10 of Pentacles. For both divine feminine and divine masculine, divine has already intervened in your situation. There's no going back. It's only divine who's gonna sort out all these things, and whatever is happening, it's due to this divine intervention. So that was your read. Do let me know if it resonated with you, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.